Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. The Sunshine Girls went down by 3 goals to South Africa in a nail-biting encounter at the INF Netball World Cup today in England. This was South Africa's second win ever against Jamaica at a Netball World Cup. Here's Shoshana McGowan.
The matchup was expected to be a closely contested and intense battle, and it did not disappoint from the start whistle to the end in the preliminaries stage 1. Both teams came in with victories over the last 2 days against Trinidad and Tobago and Fiji, but knew this would have been their toughest challenge. The South African Proteas took command of the game, closing out the first quarter with a 5-goal lead against Jamaica's Sunshine Girls 16-19. South Africa kept their feet on the gas pedal and went into the halftime break leading by 11 goals, 32-21. The Sunshine Girls came roaring back, however, in the third quarter and outscored their opponents 17-10, but were still lagging 42-38. With the top spot on the line, the Sunshine Girls kept fighting and once again outscored South Africa 14-13 in the final quarter, but still came up short as the South Africans won 55-52. Janelle Fowler, shooting at 97%, was almost perfect when she registered 38 goals from 39 attempts, while Shanice Beckford had 14 from 19. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls are now drawn in Group F in the preliminaries stage 2 of the competition and will face England, Scotland and Uganda. They will play England on Monday morning, 9 o'clock Jamaica time. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.